Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another short series, but this one is a bit different with WebRTC and video calls. This one is about how we can create an application that can stream your camera to the YouTube straight. So before we dive into the code, make sure you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's dive in. Welcome back. So let's see what do we have here and how the process is going on. We have our panel here and of course our key is ready to use it inside our clients. And we also have an Android application we're going to create using Jetpack Compose. And the UI is pretty much simple. We don't want to waste time on the UI because this course is all about the streaming protocol RTP. And we are simply going to run a foreground service, a notification toolbar, and of course we are going to start streaming to the YouTube panel. So to do that, all we have to do is to simply copy and paste this one here, and you can see we are going to provide or grant the permissions of the video and the audio, and of course the notification for foreground service notification. And if we allow that, you can see that we are connected and stream is on. And if we make some moves on the camera, we should be able to see with some like 3 and 4 seconds of the latency to the YouTube channel. And if you press the stop button, you can see that stream is stopped. The progress bar is saying that the video is stopped. So if I start again, of course, you should be able to see that the stream is working again. You can switch the camera and go back again. Simple as that. So all we are doing is to add a RTP library, create a client, and start streaming inside, of course, the foreground servers. So let's dive into the code and see how we can create this beautiful application. Also, make sure you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share my videos. Till the next video, see you everyone.